welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a video showing how I got this beautiful hair color. This is just the first time I am dyeing my hair, and my hair used to be very dark. So honestly, if you want to go blonde and as blonde as I want to go, that's a slow process, okay? You don't want to rush to get that blonde hair, because if you do rush, you're gonna damage your hair, and that's not personally what I want. So if you have dark hair like me and you want to dye your hair blonde and you don't want to damage your hair, this is what you have to do. You have to take it slow. And this is my first video for how to go blonde. I will have more videos coming up so you guys can see the whole process. The main products that I use for this video are from Clairol. They are from the line Textures Tones. I use two colors because I didn't want my hair to be the same color all over, and I know it's a bit hard to see on video, but I do have some parts of my hair that are lighter. I really don't want to damage my hair, okay? Like, it took me so long and so much effort to get my hair to be that healthy and that curly and that long. So I'm really excited, and I promised myself, Maya, you're gonna be careful. You're not... Do you see my dog? Hi! I told myself, Maya, you're never gonna do anything to damage your hair again. So I did my research. They have some jojoba oil and 5 botanical extracts, and there is no bleach or ammoniac in this product. The only harmful ingredients that come within the box is the hydrogen peroxide. And hydrogen peroxide can potentially be harmful for your hair. It will not be harmful if you dilute it properly, meaning if you add the right amount of water. I know that I'm confident when I'm using a product that was created by someone that has my hair and that know my hair for sure. I do not recommend to dye your hair at home before you do your research, okay? I spend a lot of times reading and watching videos to see what products can I use, how can I do that without damage my hair, and you know, I did my research. I made sure that I read all the list of ingredients that is on the box before I actually jump in and do it myself. Before we start, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and like my video if you like it, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions for this video or next video. You know, once again, I'm starting on YouTube and I would really appreciate some support and some feedback on my video. You guys can be honest if you didn't like my video, or if you think that there could be some improvements in some areas, please let me know. But yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so before I start, let me show you guys which products I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be using these two Clairol Textures Tones hair dyes. So I chose it in the color 6G and 7G. I'm also using some foils. I got all of these at Sally Beauty. This is a shampoo conditioner, and I heard a lot of good things about it. I'm also going to be taking a water bottle because my hair gets tangled pretty easily, so having water just allows me to work through my hair. And then I have a bowl, some brushes, some combs, hair clips, and I should be all set. So as you guys can see, I detangled my hair and I separated it into sections. That way it's easier for me, especially because this whole process has to be really fast. Now I'm going to mix everything. So the set comes with some gloves, and then you have the different products with their numbers on it. So this is number 1, number 2. So I guess I'm gonna mix everything in number 2, number 3. And it also comes with a booster packet. So now I'm gonna mix 6G in this bottle because I do want to have the products all over my hair. And then I'm gonna mix the 7G, which I want a little bit less of, in the bowl right here. Let's go. Oh my god, I already started spilling it all over my desk. Then I'm gonna add the booster. It's very hard to do that on camera, like I already struggle in real life. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. Okay, so I actually forgot to put the gloves on, which was really important. Guys, don't forget that. So I'm just gonna keep shaking this bottle until it is good enough for me to apply. And then I am gonna do the same thing for the other box. So same thing here, I am gonna empty number 2 into my little bowl right here. And then I am emptying color 1 into the bowl. And finally I'm adding the booster. And then I am mixing with a plastic spoon. It's a very creamy consistency, but it's quite liquid, and it smells... Ugh, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Okay, oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm like, how do I do that? I'm so scared to mess it up. I think I'm gonna start by the back of my hair, and then I'm gonna work my way to the front. So first I'm gonna tie up all my twists on top of my head. That way I really have the section with which I'm working cleared from other sections. Here we go. Now I am gonna untwist this section and I am just working my fingers through my hair to make sure it is detangled. So I'm gonna use a variety of methods that I got from the YouTube videos that I watched, and I also decided that I was gonna apply it with the foil. So again, we have the darkest color in this bottle and I'm gonna be applying a lot of that, and then we have the lightest color here in the bowl. So first I am gonna apply, oh my god, I am so nervous. I'm gonna apply, oh my god, I can do that! I can do it, I can do it! Okay. And now I am gonna apply the lightest color with this pencil. I'm gonna use the small one just because, you know, I want to get used to applying it. That's also when I'm gonna put my foil right here, and then I am just going in with the lightest color, and I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm kind of like applying it by not having my brush flat but sideways or like this, because I do want to create kind of like a highlight effect with the lightest blonde. I don't really see what I'm doing. Honestly, it's super hard to do on camera, but I am confident that I am doing the right thing. And then kind of finishing off with my fingers. Again, I am gonna wrap my fingers through, and then I'm kind of like going up a little bit. Awesome. And now I am making sure that I took all of my hair, and I am folding this back. And now the key again is to work really fast. So I'm not gonna be talking for the rest of my hair, and I'm just gonna move on super fast, and you guys will see the results at the end. Guys, so I am done. The whole process took me about 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna let it rest for like 20-25 minutes. I do have to say something, the product smells really strong and my head is spinning. Like, this is just wow, that was just hard to do. Like, I had to be fast, I had to like fight the smell of the product that makes me want to puke, and then it was also burning my eyes at some point, so it was just a mess. But I'm so happy I'm done. I'm so excited, and I'm a bit nervous to see the result, but hey, I'll see you guys in 25 minutes. Okay, I am back, and it's been about 40 minutes that I had the product on my hair. I took the foil out after 30 minutes, but then I thought she was really dark and I really wanted to be blonde, so I just left it again for another 10 minutes, and this is how it turned out. So it is not blonde, but I feel like it is really light, and it's gonna get better with the purple shampoo and the conditioner. But I don't hate it, even though it's not as light as I would want it to be. I don't hate it. So now I'm gonna go wash my hair with the shampoo, condition it, and I'll be back for the final results.